So we have a few oak trees in the pasture areas. And this time of the year, we got hundreds and hundreds of acorns that are dropping. And horses shouldn't eat too many acorns. It can be a real serious health problem for them. So the round pen's blocked off, but I've been putting up a couple other fences to block off where these acorns are falling, because it's too complicated to try to get them all picked up, especially in the grass. But the horses are pretty good at finding them. So now I got it installed, and I have a tester here. It's run on solar power, and with this tester here, it kind of blinks, and we can see, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's blinking nicely, so we have some good conductivity. And down here in the lower pasture, also have a couple of oak trees shedding the acorns. So I've put in some electric fence here. Also in the corner over here. And then I have a line running down the fence line below. There's also a couple of oak trees along the fence line here. It's pretty steep. So I blocked off that corner as well. So it's a single line that goes from down there and runs along the top of the fence. It'll keep them from nibbling on some of the leaves. Comes back up here. Runs along that fence line and comes out over here around this oak tree. I have to electrify it because Mr. the quarter horse is not electrified. He just comes and pulls out the fence and lifts it up with his neck and gets right in there. So I've got this solar electrifier like on the other one, the other upper fence. I'm going to discharge the battery, I'm going to put it in. So I got the battery in, turn it on. Seems to be working. And I'll test it again with the tester here. Yep, working good. So I got it connected here, like the other one, grounded with the peg here, and that should keep Mister from breaking in again. Don't touch it, Mister. You're still finding them. And Mr. the quarter horse, he's the same one that's curious about everything. And we had a couple of storms come through with the remnants of Hurricane Kirk that went through France last night. And water tends to pile up here in this corner, comes off the hill here, and gets into this outbuilding. So I put just some bags of planting dirt here, and that seemed to work quite well. And then I see Mr. also started pulling on it, so I had to move it a little bit because he wanted to take a bite out of it. And he's the same one here where I had to put some rocks on the automatic watering system here because he pulled on the hose, and we had water everywhere for about 2 hours or so before probably about 2 hours before I could find that water was spraying everywhere. So he likes to investigate things and tug on them and smell them and bite them.